Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about addition and subtraction of integers by using integer chips or signtiles. So ano nga po ba itong chips or signtiles na ito? Ito po 'yon, okay? So pag sinabi po nating chips, ito po ay in a form of rectangle and then mayroon po siyang sign. So dalawa lang po yung sign natin. Ito po ay plus sign represent positive, minus sign represent negative. So ito pong sign tiles na ito or integer chips ay magagamit po in adding and subtracting integers. So paano po ba? Papaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so bago po ako magbigay ng example, I want to present first the three ways to add and subtract integers. Ito po yung three ways. So yung first way po ay concrete models wherein we are going to use integer chips or signtiles. Ito po yon. Ito po yung para sa video na ito. And then yung pangalawa po ay pictorial model using number line. Pwede rin pong gamitin ito to add and subtract integers. And the third one is the rule. What is the rule in adding or subtracting integers? So abangan po ninyo itong dalawa pong ways in adding or subtracting integers. So sa video na ito, ang papaliwanag ko lang po muna ay ito pong concrete models using integer chips or signtiles. Okay, so let's start by adding integers using integer chips or signtiles. So, mag-start po ako sa pinakamadali. Okay, so number 1, 3 plus 2. So, alam natin what is the sum when we add 3 and 2. So, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, right? Pero, by using signtiles, paano po ito ipipresent using signtiles? Ito po yon. Ang gagawin po natin ay red tiles for positive, then green tiles for negative. Okay. So first, kunin natin itong first integer na i-add natin. Ang i-add po natin ay positive 3 at positive 2. Okay, yan po yung dalawang integers na i-add natin. So yung 3, gawin ko pong, yan po ay 3 positive tiles. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, tatlo pong positive tiles. Then i-add din po natin yung dalawang positive tiles, tatabi po natin. Yan. Okay, so how many positive tiles are there in all? So if you're going to count, there are 5 positive tiles. So ibig sabihin, ang sagot po natin dyan ay positive 5 or just 5. So pwede pong lagyan ng positive before the number yung positive integer, pero pwede rin naman pong wala. So kapag wala pong sign before the number, automatic ito po ay positive integer. Okay? Kaya it's either pong plus or plus sign 5 for positive 5, pwede naman pong as is 5 lang po. That means that is positive 5. Okay, for number 2 example. So we have negative 3. We are going to add by negative 2. So negative 3 plus negative 2. So there are 3 negatives. Lagay ko po dito. 3 negative. Tatlong chips po ng symbol po ay minus sign for negative. And then we're going to add 2 negative. Negative 2 yun. Okay. How many negative are there in all? So 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So there are 5 negative chips. So the answer is for negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Okay, for number 3 example. How about if you're going to add different sign? So negative 3 plus positive 2. So first integer ay negative 3. So mag-set po tayo ng negative 3 na tiles. So we have 1, 2, 3 na negative. And then i-add natin yung positive 2. Ang positive 2 ay red, so dalawang plus sign. Okay, so in this case, magkaiba na po yung ating sign. Okay, tatlong negative, dalawang positive. So according to the rule, kapag pinagtapat natin yung isang negative, isang positive, then ito po ay magiging 0. So makakancel na po ito. So this become x na po natin. So 2 negative, 2 positive, magiging 0 na po yan. So wala na po yan. So alin po ang natitira o ilan po ang natitira? So isang negative tile lang po ang natira. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot po natin dito ay negative 1. Isang negative tile po ang natira. Okay? So negative 3 plus positive 2 is negative 1. Okay, for number 4 example, how about this one? 6 plus negative 3. So, ang first integer po natin ay positive 6. The second integer is negative 3. So, i-represent natin itong positive 6 by using tiles. Okay? So, there are 6 positive. Count natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, tatlong negative. So, negative 3. Tapat po natin sa bawat positive tiles. So, 1, 2, 3. So, again, according to the rule, kapag pinagtapat natin isang positive, isang negative, then this is cancel or it will become 0. So, i-cross out natin tatlong negative, tatlong positive. So, ilan po yung natitira? Ang natitira po ditong chips ay tatlong positive. So, ibig sabihin, 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3 or just 3. Okay? Okay, so how about this number 5 example? Negative 4 plus 4. The first integer is negative 4. The second integer is positive 4. Okay, so unahin natin yung negative 4. So, apat na negative tiles. Then, itapat po natin yung apat na positive tiles. Okay, yan po. So, again, kapag negative at positive pinagpartner natin, then that is 0. So, ilan po yung natitira dyan? Wala po. So, ibig sabihin, negative 4 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay, so how about this number 6 example? Negative 30 plus positive 50. Now, we are going to add big integers or large integers. Gagamit pa rin ba kaya tayo ng sign tiles? So kapag gagamit po tayo ng sign tiles, ay kailangan natin ng 50 pieces na integer chips for positive. Kasi ang integer po dito ay 50. At sa negative naman, kailangan natin ng negative 30 na chips. So gagamit pa rin po ba tayo ng positive and negative chips? Okay, abangan po ninyo sa aking susunod na video about adding or subtracting integers by using rules. Pero ano nga po ba yung sagot dito? So try nyo pong sagutan at i-comment po ninyo dito sa ating comment section ng ating video. Okay, so how about subtraction of integers using this concrete model? Okay, so according to the rule, to subtract two integers, add the opposite or additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend. That is, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is equal to a plus negative b. Then follow the rules for addition of integers. Okay, so yung pong subtraction of integers ay connected po dun sa addition of integers. Kaya mula subtraction, gawin po nating addition of integers. So paano nga po ba? Okay, so ganito lang po yun. So integer chips po ang gagamitin natin in subtracting integers. So for number 1 example, so we have 5 minus 8. So we are going to subtract positive 5 by positive 8. So paano po natin susubtract by using sign tiles? Okay, so sabi ko pa rin kanina sa rule, from subtraction, gawin nating addition po muna. So the first integer is 5 at yung second integer ay gawin nating negative. Okay? At yung operation between 5 and negative 8, gawin nating addition. Okay? So ganyan po yan. So 5 minus 8 will become 5 plus negative 8. Kasi itong 8, ang maging operation niya ay ito po yung minus. Okay? Pag dinala po natin itong minus dun sa 8 maging negative 8, lalagyan po natin ng plus sign. Okay? And then, we are going to perform addition of integers. So, we are going to add positive 5 and then negative 8. So, unahin po natin yung positive 5. So, 5 positive and then 8 negative. So, again, cross out natin yung 5 na positive at yung 5 na negative. Ilan po yung matitira dito? Yan na po yung matitira na tiles. Ilan po yan? 1, 2, 3. So, there are 3 negative. Okay? So, this will become 5 minus 8 is negative 3. How about this number 2 example? We have negative 6 minus 5. Okay, so minus po yung ating operation. From minus, gawin po nating addition. So, yung first integer po natin ay negative 6. And then, yung second integer natin ay 5. So, gawin nating negative 5. Then, from subtraction, gawin nating addition. So, negative 6 minus 5 is the same as negative 6 plus negative 5. So pareho lang po iyan. Okay? Then, addition na po ng integers, gamit na po tayo ng integer chips or sign tiles. So, the first integer is negative 6. So, negative tiles na 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then negative 5. Okay? So, notice here, lahat po sila ay negative. May mako-cross out po ba tayo? May mag-zero? Wala po. So, ibig sabihin, lahat na po yan ay yung sagot dito sa negative 6 minus 5. So, how many negative tiles? There are 6. Then, add by 5. That is equal to 11. So, there are negative 11 chips. So, negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. Okay, for number 3 example, how about this one? Negative 2 minus negative 4. Okay, so imamanus daw natin yung negative 2 dun sa negative 4. So ano po yung gagawin natin yan? So first, negative 2. At yung second po natin ay 4. Okay, so since ito po ay minus negative, ang gagawin lang daw po natin dyan is pagsasamahin natin. Pag pinagsama natin itong dalawang negative, magiging isang positive. So this will become negative 2 plus 4. Okay? So ganyan po yan. Ito pong dalawang sign na ito, gawin po nating positive. So magiging plus 4 na siya. Okay? So addition of integers, first ay negative 2. And then, yung second integer ay positive 4. Then, syempre, may dalawang negative, i-partner natin yung dalawang positive. So magiging cancel 0 na ito. Ang matitira ay ito po, dalawang positive. Okay? So the answer is positive 2 for negative 2 plus negative 2 minus negative 4. Okay, so how about this number 4 example? Negative 21 minus 32. So again, gumamit po ako ng large integer dito para makita po natin paano nga po ba. Gagamit pa rin po ba tayo ng tiles? Kasi kapag gagamit po tayo ng tiles, we need 32 tiles or 32 sign tiles. Okay? At meron pa dito negative 21 sign tiles. Okay? So, gagamit pa rin po ba tayo ng tiles? So, pwede po. Kaya lang, again, meron po dyan rule kung paano po yan i-add or i-subtract. Abangan po ninyo sa susunod kong video. At para ma-check po natin yung inyong knowledge about the concept of adding and subtracting integers, try nyo po itong sagutan at i-comment lang po sa comment section ng ating video. Okay, so again, ito po yung 3 ways of adding and subtracting integers. For the first way is integer chips or sign tiles. Ito po, na-discuss ko na po sa inyo. So abangan po ninyo itong dalawa pang ways in adding and subtracting integers by using number line and by using rules. So yung rules po ay magagamit po kapag mag-a-add or magsusubtract po tayo ng large integers. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.